welcome back to another video. Today I feel like doing a galaxy paw. Now pretty much the galaxy paw, all it is, it's a straight paw, and you get some nice patterns and designs in the painting that sort of, if you're lucky, it looks like a galaxy. So that is what the plan is. I'm just putting my gloves on, and then we'll start layering the colors into a cup. The canvas is a 30 by 40 centimeter rectangle canvas, and I've taped up the back, push pins in, everything is ready. All right, can you see what's going on? I think you can. Right, so I'm just going to take a cup, and we're just going to layer this this cup. So in here is Descartes satin enamels. So I just want a little bit of that. This is Descartes 24 karat gold. Right, now we're just going to layer colors. It's there's a spout. These spouts, they irritate me because they keep blocking. So let's see if I can open it up. There we go. And this is a very deep purple. And next to the purple, I think I'll put some more of the satin enamels and some more gold. And then this one, and some silver, and some turquoise. And some of these paints are metallic. I think I'll put a touch of black in between there. Yeah, some are metallic. The turquoise, this green, the silver, and the gold, of course, are metallic. The rest are not metallic, but pretty colors nevertheless. So I think it will look very nice. Some more gold. Some more of this one, and some more of this one, and some silver, and a touch more black, and some turquoise. The wind is blowing. It's been raining for, oh goodness, a week straight, maybe longer. I don't know, I've lost track of this rain. Some more of that. Right, I think that'll do. I'm going to bring you closer like that, so you can get a nice view of what I'm doing, hopefully. And now all we're going to do is we're going to pour, straight pour. Wow. Okay. Some very pretty colors in there. Wonder if I should try and do something about that middle, because there seems to be a lot of white in the middle there. I don't know if any more paint is going to come out of this cup. Let me just layer a couple more colors into this cup and just try and do something with the middle there. Let's just see. Okay, I don't know. Let's just see what happens now. So I've just got some, I'm just going to bring this more to the middle. I'm just going to put white around the edges, which is just to help tilt it, like that. And then I will just spread that with a palette knife. Right, I'm going to bring you up now, and let's tilt it. So I'm going to go round in a circle first. And then just go wider, 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 and around. And down. I think I'll just go over here now. And down that side. Okay. Let me just bring it back down to this corner because it didn't actually go over. Right. Okay. Now, last two corners. We'll bring it down to that side. Right, and last corner. I don't know where to hold it. It's going, but very slowly. Oh, I should have brought a chair to sit down on. Nearly there. Come on, come on, come on. We are there. Okay. Well, that's not bad. That definitely does look like a galaxy. I'm just going to check that all my sides are covered, and just make sure there. Yeah, they look fine. They are covered, so that's at least that. Wow, that's actually very cool. I do like the colors, and I do like the patterns that it's made. And when this is dry, like I said, a lot, what, 1, 2, 3, 3 or 4 of the colors in here are metallic, so that'll, you know, make, you know, be all glossy and shiny when it's dry. Like all of this is going to, because I can see there's gold in all of this, down the side, all the way up there. There's gold, here's gold, there's gold. So that will really pop. Even in this purple is gold. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. But there are, you know, fine lines of gold in between all of it, all over the middle here too, has gold in it. And the turquoise is metallic, and the green is metallic. So yeah, no, once this is dry, I think it's really going to be very shimmery and shiny and pretty. So that's cool. Right, so I'm going to bring you in for a close-up quick. I wonder if I should, yeah, let me just hit it quick with a heat gun. Just some small bubbles. Right, let me bring you in for a close-up quick. See my nice big window? So here it is, look at it. So I wonder, I'm going to put my flash on. Maybe you'll be able to see the gold better then. But there is gold. I don't know if you can see it on this camera. No, it's not picking it up, but there you can see. So there, look there is literally gold through all of it. This green is already metallic, but you can see the gold there. And there's shimmer. Here, this is all gold. You can see the shimmering. Then even here in the purple, that is, come on, I'm really trying to, there, you can see the gold shimmer in that line there. All over here you'll see sparkles, and that's the gold. It's everywhere. Even up here, there you can just see it. This is all gold. And right up there, that line is gold. It's not picking it up now. There. So yeah, like I said, it's going to be very very shimmery when it is dry, but I think it's very pretty. You know, pretty designs in it, pretty colors in it, and it does look like a galaxy. It looks like something out of this world. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Very unusual patterns. Very different. So, yep, there we go. I love the colors in there. Very cool. All right. Oh, look at the horsey. Aren't they cute? So, right, I'm going to go and edit this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back tomorrow for another painting. And, yeah, hope to see you tomorrow then. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And please remember that all paintings created in this channel are available to buy in my Etsy shop. And details to my Etsy shop are down in the description below. All right, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.